Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Gyaru eyes and Dress to Impress. So to do that, grab these glasses in white, and you're just going to use the fourth toggle here. We're going to position the Y at 0.40 and the Z at 0.47. Then we're going to rotate the X to 0.56. We're then going to scale it all the way to 0.24, like so. Then we're going to get lashes here in codes, this one, and we're going to use the 9th toggle here. For the adjustments, we are going to put the Y at 0.51, Z to 0.48, oops, sorry. And we're going to rotate the Z to 0.25. And we're going to scale it all the way to 0.53. These are for the bottom lashes. And then we are going to use the Gaga lashes here in black. We're going to position the Y to 0.40, the Z to 0.39. And we're going to rotate the X to 0.58. We're then going to scale it all the way to, well, we're going to scale it down to 0.26. And that's it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.